Hey guys, Takara Renee here. So I hope my eyebrow tutorial was easy to follow. Definitely make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel. I also have all of my social media links listed somewhere on the screen. So definitely don't forget, like I said, like and subscribe. See you in my next video. And if you guys want a detailed video on this eye look or this makeup look, let me know. Comment down below and I'll film one for you. I'll go ahead and recreate it. And then if you guys also want me to do a tutorial on how I style my short hair, let me know and I can go ahead and get that out for you guys as well. So see you in my next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking my spoolie and I'm gonna brush my brows. My brows have been waxed for like maybe a week and a half now. I typically don't get them waxed a lot. I do like every month or so. My brows tend to stay like nice for a while. I normally would use the ColourPop brow pencil, but I ran out and I had to order a few more and it hasn't arrived yet. And I also ordered those new no filter concealers. I'm interested in trying those. So yeah, I can't wait for my package to come. But anyway, in the meantime, I'm using this Rimmel London pencil. It has like a little spoolie on it. And it's in the color 004 Black Brown. And I mean, you can take any eyebrow pencil really and truly. It doesn't matter. I happen to like the ColourPop eyebrow pencils because they work really well and they're inexpensive. I initially started using the Anastasia brow pencils, but $20 versus $6, child buy. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I just brush my eyebrows in the direction that they typically go in. Some people brush them up like this. I don't. I just brush them like in the direction that they go in. And what I do is I take the pencil and make sure your pencil is sharp. And then you want to just go in and do light strokes. So I do light strokes in the front because I don't like a harsh line. And then I just trace out the actual line of my brows with a soft hand. And then I just do that at the top as well. So I just draw the shape of my brows. Also, I don't like to start at the very top because I don't like those chalky, dark brows. So I start kind of far back, like from here, and then I just draw it. And then I just use really light strokes and I fill it in. Just real light strokes, fill in the brow. And I fill in my brow to my desired likeness. So I like a more natural feathered looking brow. So like I said, I use really light strokes and I just go in and fill it in with really like the side of my pencil. So it's not super sharp. And then I take my spoolie and I just brush out any harsh lines. Brush in the color, make sure I don't have any sparse areas. And then I tend to leave this front light or like kind of use what's on my spoolie and brush it up. Like I said, I don't like super harsh brows. And then what I do is I take some concealer and I will clean it up a little bit. Some people don't really like it. They call it halo brows, but I think a natural looking concealer or a concealer that's the same as your skin tone works well to kind of clean it up and give you that really sharp look. That for me, that's what I like. So today I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro HD High Definition Concealer in the color Warm Honey. So I'm just gonna take a little bit on the back of my hand, warm up the concealer, and then I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna put it under my brow to clean it up. You do wanna have a sharp or a steady hand with this so you don't mess up basically. And you just wanna take an angle brush with the concealer and go under your eyebrows. I can't talk when I do my eyebrows, y'all. So yeah, see? And then you just want to take the product that's on the angle brush and bring it down. You can actually use this to prime your eyes. So if you're going to do an eyeshadow look, just bring this concealer down all over your eyelid. And then you can just prime your eyes with that. Sometimes I use my fingers or sometimes I use a concealer brush. So I'm going to go ahead and use my concealer brush and blend that out. Make sure that it's nice, not smudging anything. And then bring that on down to my lid. And there we have it. It might look a little yellow and weird on camera, but I promise it matches really good in person. So I'm gonna take what's left on my angle brush and just put that at the top of my eyebrow. So simply like this. I'm gonna start from where I started with the pencil here and clean up the top. You don't have to do this. This part is optional. But like I said, I like a clean brow, honey. I like for my brows to be on fleek. And then I'm just going to take my angle brush. Are we still using the word on fleek? I don't know. And then I'm just going to take my angle brush and bring that concealer up and blend it out. This right here is for them sexy mamas. Hey, this right here is for them sexy mamas, girl. And there you have it. And then I just take my spoolie and I just, you know, make sure that my brows are looking nice. If I want to clean up anything, I take my pencil and I just go back in and I fix anything, like any lines, any sparse hairs. And then I just take my spoolie and brush everything out and make sure everything is nice and clean. See? And then I just do the same thing with the other eyebrow. So I went ahead and finished the other brow off camera, but as you can see, this is it. Your brows are not gonna be twins. They're sisters, girls. Sisters, not twins. And then what I like to do, just like as a final step, I just like to take some brow gel to kind of seal it in. And this is actually the BH Cosmetics Flawless Brow Gel. It looks a little janky now, but this stuff is amazing. It's like glue for your eyebrows. Like, your brows won't move with this stuff. So I just take the brow gel and I just go over my brows the same way that I fill them in. So like I said, I don't like the front too harsh. So just take it and I comb up the front and I fill it in with the gel. Literally fill it in with the gel. Just like a light hand. Making sure to get the ends. And then I take my spoolie again and I just kind of brush it. Make sure that all the gel dries. And there you have it. Easy, simple eyebrows. You don't have to spend a lot of money to get nice, clean brows. You can get a drugstore pencil, drugstore concealer. You can use any concealer of your choice if you choose to. And there you go. Of course, will go ahead and blend all this in with my foundation, but this was just a simple, easy eyebrow tutorial. One of my friends on Instagram was like, hey, can you do an eyebrow tutorial? I'm like, sure. So here you go. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope it was easy to follow. And I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.